in Lagos State. Mandilas Market. 23rd January 2024. It's happening right now in Mandilas. Money is being destroyed here. Billions of naira is being destroyed here. Wow, this is serious. Can you imagine? Can you just imagine? Hey, now wow, wow. Look at what is happening live in Mandilas, Lagos Island, Mandilas Market. Look at what is happening. You cannot believe it. Unbelievable. It's happening live. Men are packing their things. Money is being damaged, destroyed. Here in Lagos Island, Mandilas. 24th January 2024. Can you just imagine? Wow. This is serious. This is serious. I can't believe it. Security agents are here. Wow. Hello, baby. Can you just imagine? Look at what is happening. Hello, baby. Money is being burned here. Money is burning here. Billions of naira is going. Billions of naira. Properties is being destroyed. Plazas worth billions of naira is being destroyed. In Lagos Island, Mandilas. Today is 24th January 2024. Can you just imagine? January. People just came back from the village for the Xmas celebration. And this is happening in Mandilas live. Wow. Men are crying like babies. Men are crying like babies. Millionaires are crying. Millionaires are crying like babies. Yeah. Look at millionaires crying in Lagos Island. Mandilas, Lagos. Millionaires are crying. Hey, and everyone have millionaires in Ebenakwa. Hey, Oluonu. Nenu Nen can Ebenakwa. Hey, billions of naira is going. Men in Ebenakwa. Millionaires in Ebenakwa. Buildings in it. Wow! Can you just go? Hey! This is happening live in Mandilas. Wow! Lagos Island. Millionaires are crying. Millionaires are crying. Millionaires are crying. Millions of dollars naira is going. Can you just imagine? Can you see what is happening? Building Plaza, Pakistan Plaza is one of the plazas that they are destroying. Pakistan Plaza, a new plaza that has not been built. The plaza is not up to 4 years or 3 years. It's being destroyed. It's being destroyed. Can you imagine? crying. A na-ebe akwa. A na-ebe n'akwa bụ ndị billionaires. A na-ebe akwa. Hey! Ndị na-epenti na-epenti. Ọ sị na ndị na-ebe akwa